Hello students, welcome to NEET with Satya ma'am. Today let us see one important chapter that you have to prepare for NEET exams. That's environmental chemistry. Okay, so in this chapter every year you get one question in chemistry. However, the question from this chapter is not too tough, and preparation wise also this is an easy chapter to prepare. Just once you go through it you will be able to attend the questions. Let us see what are the areas to focus in this chapter. Okay, so three broad areas from where you get questions is one is regarding the pollutants, okay, primary, secondary pollutants. Another one is regarding the greenhouse effect and global warming. Third area where you generally get questions is from ozone hole. These are the areas where you get questions in this chapter. Other than that, you should be also familiarized with the toxicity of minerals and pollutants. Okay, you have a table in NCERT. Okay, so you can prepare from that table. And there is a new one area that is green chemistry added to that, so you should be also thorough with that area. And smog you don't get questions in chemistry, but you get questions in biology in this area. Okay, this chapter also will combine both biology and chemistry. You have in both the subjects. Okay, so anyhow once you prepare for one subject you would be able to answer the questions in both the subjects. Okay, so these are the areas that you should be familiar in case of environmental chemistry. Let us see how the questions were, what are the questions asked for the last 3 years, 2018, 19 and 20. In environmental chemistry in 2018 you had one question. So that question is again from not exactly as in NCERT, it is NCERT based question. Okay, so this is about pollutant, and the three options given was from NCERT and one option was not from NCERT, and the question was what is not a pollutant, and the option was which was not given in the NCERT. So again, it is not too tough. You will be able to read it and understand and answer the question. Just know the concept, you will be able to answer the questions. In 2019 you had one question that was from greenhouse effect and it is from NCERT as such. 2020 you had one question from carbon monoxide and that is from NCERT. It is a statement question but not a tough one. Okay, so every year you get one question, and this chapter again you will learn both in chemistry and biology. So it is easy to score in both the subjects.